All right, students, this is how you're going to log into My Math Test for the first 4 weeks of your Math Foundations 1 course. So what you're going to do is you are going to, from this screen, mymathtest.com, you're going to click Register Now as a student. And you're going to click OK Register. Now, whenever you do this, you're going to click that you do have an access code, and you're going to click Next. All right. So you can now click that you accept all of these terms and conditions. I will tell you that I have read them and have them memorized, so it's really nothing that you should worry about. So you're going to click No that you don't have a login name. And I'm going to show you something here. So my name is Josh Baker, very common name, and so when I click Check Availability, this red square comes up. So if I click and make a different name, let's just say Math Prof 1513. I don't know. Let's check and see if that's available. So since it's available, I'm going to go ahead and use it. And now I'm going to create a password, and I'm going to have to retype in my password, and it's going to ask me for an access code. Now your instructor should have this written on the board, but if they do not, it is WSSMMT DAHEJ FILCH PEKAN GIGOT RAZES. So, instructors, feel free to pause this video if your students need to catch up to this point. Okay, continuing on. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to type in your first name, your last name, and an email address, and you're going to type in your email, retype in your email address. So let's go ahead and do these things. Whoops. You know what? I need to use a different one. All right, so select United States and select 74133 for the zip code. Really, the zip code is only used to populate the school name. And when you come down here, you're going to see Tulsa Community College Southeast Campus, Metro Campus, Northeast Campus, and West Campus. It's got a lot of other things too. So I'm going to pick Southeast Campus, and it's going to say, for a security question, what town were you born in? And I'm going to put Broken Arrow, even though that's not the real answer, so nobody tried to steal my identity. And I'm going to click Next. So I now come to this. It's a confirmation that I have gained access to my math test, and now it's going to ask me to log in. So if I go back, if I click that login now, I am going to click Sign In, and I am going to put in my credentials for my login that I just created. And when I sign in, it's going to ask me for a program code. Now, I can't put anything in here because every single instructor has a unique program ID. So what you're going to do is you're going to get this number from your instructor. Once you type in all of these things, also make sure that you're careful between zeros and capital O's. Both are in there. Make sure that you're careful about those. But once you click in the last thing, it should just pop up down here which course it is. So just confirm that it's your instructor's last name and it's the section that you're enrolled in, and then click Enroll. Once you enroll, you will now be in My Math Test. Okay, instructors, you can feel free to use this video, email this link, do whatever you need to in order to use this to help your students register for My Math Test.